डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज से मैं आपके लिए सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ शुरू करने जा रही हूँ जो थीम वाइज है, यानी चैप्टर वाइज है। ये सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अपने आप में कंप्लीट है क्योंकि इसे मैंने काफ़ी ध्यान से एनसीईआरटी के चैप्टर से पेज वाइज प्रिपेयर किया है। इस सेट में 1 मार्क, 3 मार्क्स, 8 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन के साथ सोर्स और फिगर से भी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है। इनके आंसर्स आपको बड़ी आसानी से मेरे नोट से मिल जाएंगे और कुछ क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप एनसीईआरटी बुक रेफ़र कर सकते हैं। इसको आप रिवीजन के लिए टेस्ट पेपर की तरह प्रैक्टिस करें, विच विल बी वेरी यूज़फुल फॉर यू। अगर आपको ये पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें, जिससे मैं और ऐड कर सकूं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। थीम 2 क्लास 11th राइटिंग एंड सिटी लाइफ सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। सबसे पहले 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन का सीरीज़। Question number 1. Mesopotamia was situated between which two rivers? इसमें चॉइस है A. Rhine and Danube, B. Tigris and Euphrates, C. Ganga and Bias, and D. Krishna and Tungabhadra. You have to choose among them. Second question. Mention the unique features of Mesopotamia. Third, the urbanized south of Mesopotamians was called before 2000 BC. Again choice A. Armenia and Antioch, B. Sumer and Akkad, C. Assyria and Sasania, D. Alexandria and Aramaic. Again you have to choose among them. Fourth, after 2000 BC, Dash became an important city of Mesopotamian civilization. Again choice A. Assyria, B. Babylon, C. Antioch, D. Turkey. Fifth question is, from 1100 BC, Kingdom of Northern region was known as Dash. Again choice A. Babylon, B. Assyria, C. Turkey, D. Antioch. Question 6. Name the first language of Mesopotamian region. Seventh, which language flourished till Alexander's time? Eighth, name the language which was similar to Hebrew spoken after 1000 BC. 9. Name the well-known cities of Mesopotamia. 10. Why was Mesopotamia important to Europeans? 11. Name the major crops grown in that area, that is Mesopotamia. 12th, this is a statement. Mesopotamians had two things in abundance which they traded to procure different materials. Name them. 13th, name the kings mentioned in the context of Mesopotamians. So you have to name all the kings which is mentioned in your chapter. 14th, what is script? 15th, name the gods who were placed in Mesopotamian shrines. Question number 16, what was written on a typical Mesopotamian seal? 17, to which tribe did the king of Mari belong? 18, name the tribal groups of Name the tribal groups of mobile herders who established their rule and settled down. 19. Mesopotamian society and culture was dash in nature. Again choice pluralistic, uniform, monotheist, polytheist. You have to choose among them. Question 20 and the last question of this section. The city of Mari traded with which three cities mainly? Again choice Arab, Iran, Iraq is A, B is Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, C Palestine, Israel, Lebanon, and D Iran, Syria, Arab. You have to choose among them. Second section is 3 marks question and the word limit is 100 words. Question 1. How did Mesopotamian language spread and what was its significance? Second question. How did the art of writing develop gradually in Mesopotamian region? Third, mention the sources of history that help us to understand the Mesopotamian civilization. Fourth, how was the process of excavation carried out to find Mesopotamian culture? Fifth, why did Mesopotamian traded in textile and agricultural produce? Sixth, explain the making of a Mesopotamian tablet and how was it inscribed? Seventh, how can you say that writing was a skilled craft in Mesopotamia? Eighth, Why were temples important to kings of Mesopotamia? Ninth, write a note on Mesopotamian seal. 10th, why was agriculture a subject of hazard in spite of fertility of land? 11th, why do archaeological and epigraphist findings What do archaeological and epigraphist findings tell us about the lives of elite of Mesopotamia? Question 12. Why were mobile herders not a threat to town life? Question 13. It is a statement. Mari, the city of Mesopotamia, is a good example of an urban center prospering on trade. Justify the statement. Or the question can be, how did the king of Mari rule? Both questions are same in a different way. Question 14. Bring out the contribution of Mesopotamians in the field of mathematics, astronomy, science. How did they make it possible? Question number 15. What was Mesopotamian script like and what was the use of Mesopotamian script? Now we come to the third section, 8-mark question, 350 words. Question number 1. Cities of Mesopotamia did not grow because of rural prosperity, that is agriculture produce. Justify the statement. Question number 2. Iraq, that is Mesopotamia, is a land of diverse environment. In the light of this statement, describe the various geographical features of Mesopotamia. Third, explain the main elements or tools required for urban development in Mesopotamia, or the question can come in this way. What factors made urban development possible in Mesopotamia? Question number 4. Explain the main features of Mesopotamian script and the reasons of developing script. What language was used here and give appropriate example. Question number 5. Discuss the various features of Mesopotamian temples and the activities carried out in these temples. Question number 6. Taking example of Ur, that is a Mesopotamian city, bring out the difference between Harappan and Mesopotamian town planning. Now coming to section 4, questions based on sources and figures. This goes page wise. Question number 1, page 32, box the Varka head. Question is, what does the excerpt depict? Second, why is this a world famous piece of structure? Third, how can this piece of sculpture be regarded as a mark of urbanization in Mesopotamia? Then question number 2, page 33, figure clay tablet, and page 34. What does the picture depict? Second, what does cuneiform script mean? How were tablets prepared? Third question. Fourth is, what were the main features of Mesopotamian script? And fifth is, what were the uses of writing? Question 3, page 37, figure temple 3000 BCE. Question 1, what does the picture depict? Second, explain the cities with temple of Mesopotamia. And third, name the gods in Mesopotamian temples. So you can see certain questions are repeated because of a better practice for you. Question number 4, page 38 and 39, questions on seals. First, define the term seal. Second, what were the main features of Mesopotamian seal? Third, explain the picture given on page 38. Question 5, page 40, figure a residential area at Ur. Question, compare the town planning of Mesopotamia with the Harappa. And second is, what does the picture depict? Sixth question, page 41, map 3, location of Mari. Question is, why were the mobile herders not a threat to town people? As you can see, this is a repeat. Question number 7, page 41, again, picture of warrior. Question is, what does the picture depict? And second question is, name the tribal groups which settled down from nomadic life as a prosperous communities. Question 8, page 44, box, excavating Mesopotamian towns. Question is, explain the city life of Mesopotamians. Second question, how was the excavation done here, that is in Mesopotamia? Third, how was the excavation of Abu Salabik carried out? So in the box, there's a mention of Abu Salabik, which you should read and answer. Question number 9, page 46, an early library. This is again a box reference. Question is, how were the Mesopotamian texts preserved much before the modern excavation in 19th and 20th century? Last question of this series is page 47, an early archaeologist. Question number 1, why do you think Assurbanipal and Nabonidus cherished early Mesopotamian traditions? Or the question can come in a different way. What was the last ruler of independent Babylon? Nabonidus' findings. Second question, what was the contribution of Nabopolassar in building of Babylon? And last question is, from whom did he release Babylon? With this, we come to the end of set of questions. Thank you very much. Dear students, I want to repeat one thing here. Most of the answer to these questions you will find in my notes. Thank you. Dear students, अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें. Thank you.